Hi, my name is Swapna. I'm from the MPU 32BU at Microchip. Here we have the smart door lock with facial recognition demo. We have an ARM core running embedded Linux, and it has TensorFlow Lite. It is enrolled my face, so it can recognize me. So when I press this button, it is processing and then grants me access. So if another person who's not enrolled presses the button, then access is denied. We want to show here that without any accelerators or multi-core processors, with a very low power consuming part, we can achieve object recognition and facial recognition, etc. If you have further questions, please visit microchip.com. Thank you.